Johnson, I have to go now. I can't wait.
Madam, where would they go? Time na money.
Please help me with my bag, please. My purse. It's in the car.
Madam, close door.
Wait, hold on. Let me just get my purse.
The sudden, this love will have doubled now because I'm traveling. Huh? I know, that's my wife. But now, but this one you've been acting like you're not going to see me again. I'm only traveling. I'm still going to come back.
Well, I really miss you.
Ah.
You know, missing you is something I hate so much to experience.
I'll miss you too. I'm already missing my family. I'm missing my home. And I thank God Chichi is not here. It would have been a different story.
You mean you sent her out on purpose?
You know the way it should be done, you know that.
Because I know she'll be worse than that is always dragging my husband. I don't understand.
No. You're the only one now who can ever drag me with you. My darling.
I miss you.
Let me run up before I miss my flight. Okay. So,
Madam, we don't reach. Madam, we don't reach your house.
Can you drive inside?
No.
Okay.
Pay me my money, I beg.
This is your account number.
00 174 13 174. My money now 7,000. Your 7 bali.
Bank.
Eh?
Bank.
Access Bank.
Okay. I sent you 10,000.
Oh.
Thanks for
Thank
driving
you.
carefully. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, yeah? Good custom. So this small pin charger gave me 10 pin like this. Wow. You will get money, shall. Today don't steal. I go carry my Rima go house. I don't close work. Better start.
But where could my purse be? In my car? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, the taxi! It must have fallen out from me while I was asleep.
Now woman back be that. Not the woman back be that one.
Why you talk like this?
Why you go talk like this? I
don't tell you, sir.
You dey cheat. You dey follow woman. You dey follow woman. God don't catch you. I don't catch you today.
Because you know I know they cheat now.
You know they cheat.
You know I no fit cheat on you.
Sir, which back? Not be woman back be this. Hey, wait. Siam. Not be woman back be this. Not be what? Hey. You no get money, they follow woman. Eh? You not get money, you they follow. Oh. Hey, Chinek. Hey. So now what you they do? All this how they come out. Now women you they go pack every day. You go. I am the following.
Oh. Now the small pikin where I carry today, now I get this bag now.
Oh, today na small pikin now you carry. The other days now.
No, now what's I mean? Say na person where I carry for kabu now.
Kabu.
What small girl like that where I go drop for one senator house. Now in bag be this. Now small pikin. What small pikin charger when we will reach 20 years old? What's it not gonna do with pikin now?
Eh.
Why they talk like this now?
So you know they cheat.
How I go cheat on you? Bella say she don't forget her bag, oh. And she gonna look for him now.
No problem.
Wait now.
Now go.
No reach house now. More go house. I'm hungry. They catch me like this. Why go chop first? Man, no thing I go use my life do. Now that pikin will be say, "We give me money now. We pay me extra." I tell him I charge him 7 pa. He give me 10 pa. Where I close work early, can carry 9 bag.
You know.
No, me I didn't even know say. Now your eye they go everywhere.
Now God save you. Come, the shawarma I say you buy am.
No be I
sure say you carry give that girl.
You don't they come now. I tell you say na small pikin get the buy you they give me allegation with small pikin.
If I catch you with woman you go see what I go do you.
Why they talk like this?
I catch you with
woman. You know say I dey faithful to you.
Come out they go abeg.
You know say I'm the only faithful man in Nigeria.
Now so.
They talk as if say like this like this.
Today.
Taxi drivers are wicked. But that young man looks too cute and responsible to hold back what is not his own. Hey, God help me, oh. I don't even know what to think right now.
Na Prada be this Ikena. Ikena na Prada. See as they write am for here, Prada. See the bag.
Na your own.
See.
So if na Prada and so.
I no reach to wear Prada, Ikena. I no reach to hold this designer bag.
Because you want hold designer bag when no be your own. Na your bag.
See, Ikena, no just make me vex. If you return this bag, if you return, you no go like me for this house today. You no go like me.
Ngozi, you dey surprise me. Wait oh. So if me will be your guy, tell you say I want corner this bag and the dollars we take inside. So Ngozi, you know pursue me.
Why I go pursue you? No give me one reason why I go pursue you. Ikena, no return this bag, oh. Ikena, no return. No return. No just make me vex for this house today. No return this bag. No tell me now, you never tire. Ikena, poverty never tire you. All this while me and you they pray. You know this prayer we pray. Oh God, give us our daily bread. This is the daily bread.
Ngozi, see as money they do you. Daily bread, you even twist the Bible. You they twist and make it fit into your. You don't be thief. You ain't on a chew for money.
Ikena.
Who spoil you like this, Ngozi?
Ikena.
This no be the Ngozi one, no be this so.
You know what they vex me now? The fact say you like this, you be first class graduate, but you don't get wisdom far from you. You cannot leave now. See, you know exchange rate now. This money, it will change. We go come up for here. We go come up for this thing. What would they call?
Shut up. Why they see vision for money when you be your own? If they see vision for another man's pockets, he good. You know, na small pikin no. Now the small pikin charge the way I carry for motor. Now they speak all this. They open mouth like this for. You need nine Papa give them that money for message.
No, be from. No, you talk say you come from house where they get money.
May they kill him, Abi. You know him, that girl could cry me dinner.
No return.
Because he dey look for this money.
No return am.
Because you no get conscience.
No return am. No return am.
Your mind bad.
Ikena, no, just try me. No return this bag.
See as stiff they shine for your eye.
Ikena.
Come on, dear Joe.
Ikena. As I pray as you dey go like this, may your engine knock.
Oh, Shibu,
may your engine knock. May pole just fall for your car. May nobody give you money for road. Which kind of person we graduate first class, but you no get wisdom. Hey, Ikena. If not be because say you did good for the other room. What I want for they do with you? What I want to do with you? No, come back for this house. No, come back. Ha!
You always want to go let person rest this afternoon.
Hey, Hey,
My guy.
see this man. What did they do here?
Ikenna.
Hey.
You see this now?
You don't take. I say you don't go village.
Go where? For where?
Nobody see you eye again.
Now here I do. Now here I dey manage now.
Now here they drive now.
Drive with it. Here I dey manage. Now maybe chief security officer for here.
Can I be security person? My God. Wait, you need to drive again?
I don't say my motor since now.
What's it happen?
Guy, that's a long story. A very long story. But now me if I come.
And if I come, I know say you there here. You tell anybody say you there here.
Can't forget that. You feel the worker pass, you see me for here now. If it happen now.
But not be the case.
Eh.
Bella say your madam I define.
Okay, senator wife.
No, you get one small pin charger where I dropped here yesterday. And you forget this bag for my car. So as I reach house, you understand? I don't even know. Now even my girlfriend just see the bag. I say I must bring the bag back to her.
This particular bag?
Yes, this bag.
You go be your daughter be that too.
Now the daughter.
You go be in daughter. Because now she be the smallest for here now. I know wala now she dey inside.
You dey mad. What's it be there inside?
She dey inside. No be biscuit for this house.
I know. I tell you say I carry bag. Make I give person when I carry. You say I carry and give you.
Can me and you now. You don't know me Tete now. I want it for you. When I give her, she go be inside. Give
nobody say you be thief. I mean, I guilty conscience now they do you. What I'm saying is the right thing is I will hand this bag over to the girl that owns it. So that not be tomorrow. Now senator. Tomorrow police will come carry me. I can't explain, say, and I now gave it to Kevin, and Kevin now gave it to the... No, she go come. I go confirm, say everything there intact. She go, no worry, now you be witness.
Now what do you want to talk about that?
Now you go witness, say I give him. So tomorrow you will say, yes, I saw when he gave it to him.
No, but you know, say the thing with all these big men, their rules. It seems say you go wait here first. I know if you allow your enter, go give him.
No, I know.
I go check him. Then I'll call him. She can collect him for you.
Confirm. Correct guy. I didn't say car.
No, Allah. Okay,
I'll
call. Ikenna. My guy.
You don't live for mansion. You don't fresh you.
Who fresh? See you now.
Sir. Hey. Go and call him.
Ikenna. All right. He has gone.
He has gone.
He has left. But why did he leave so fast? Are you sure everything is intact?
Everything is intact.
Yeah. Did he? You should check well. You know all these people. You cannot trust them.
Everything is here. Oh.
Yeah.
If everything wasn't here, I'm not sure he would have returned this bag.
Yeah.
But wait, what kind of man is this? He couldn't even wait for me to properly thank him.
Now you're local. Maybe so all of them they bill.
Everything is here. Oh.
$2.
My card too is here. Everything is here.
Now you're local, madam. Nothing there if you give your...
If I use this bag and...
Oh, God. No easy. Baby. This is my girl, eh?
Don't touch me. Your baby. Go back to that senator house. Where you come from?
Babe, don't tell me say because of another person money. Now why they treat me like this?
Why not go treat you like this? See, now
Is
my
it
money.
your money?
Now my money. Now my money.
How?
You don't believe in miracle money, miracle. Now miracle money be that now.
Hey.
Now Angel put on for that car for me.
Yes, baby.
Babe.
What be the name of that angel?
Angel Gabriel.
So now Angel Gabriel, I go give back this money. Small picking when be say, you see, picking just all these pin charger gears when be say.
Wait. Not they block my picture. How you take no see God they help people?
person forget money for my car. Now human being. No be say miraculously I open car see money. Now human being. Is it bad to return somebody's property?
Wait. Now human
Is
being.
a forgotten property?
How God they take send help can't give person? If they come down himself, I be they send person make can't help person.
Hey.
Now help.
Baby,
I can not help.
you
Use your
bust
head.
my head like this now. See, Yahoo don't they enter your IO.
No be your mate they do Yahoo.
Hey.
No, answer me. No be your mate they do Yahoo.
Yes, Kelly. Babe, so if I go do Yahoo, bring the money, give you go chop.
I be they even look for who will introduce you to Yahoo. You need to do
Lord
it.
have mercy.
You need to do it. You need to because I don't tie. See.
I don't do. I know I hear again.
All right now. You go. No problem. Okay now.
You don't do.
No problem. You love man.
But wait though, as in food they inside house for me.
But that house do. Nothing man.
So I give you money, make you cook. Now you just cook finish the
How
food.
much you give me? Your mate, you know how much your mate they give people? How much you give me? How much? Nothing there for that.
Ngozi.
Nothing there.
Ngozi.
I bet. How much you give me? You need to think about this. Yahoo thing what they tell you. Good Samaritan. Nobody return dollars wait there for your back. When for carry better my life? You want ask me food not day? Don't finish. I bet me not come and give you that bed before I don't go give her. Chop, I bet. Yeah, man. I'm a food you.
Babe, now God the bless person. Not be person the bless person.
No be true person. God they take bless person.
That yarn in day shall. But see now. But no be true stealing.
I no talk to me you steal. You cannot see. Just try do quick. Make you do quick, make money come marry me. If not, I will follow person when you road.
What you talk? What you yarn now? That is sweetie for man.
I don't tire. I don't tire to stay like this. I mean, so do quick. Now where my heart still there for you. Now I will carry my heart to give am that person.
So now you don't threaten me now. Yeah, my heart the sweetie may just threaten me anyhow. I be not believe. Believe. In less than 3 months like this, everywhere goes stew. Just give me 3 months. I'll go see your parents.
Just leave me.
I will put a smile on your face. I've been at this with you before.
Okay. You will see blessing. You see him. It's tangible like this. You see him. You carry and go throw it like that.
Because in that one, na their own. Our own go come. Our own go show now. It's sure.
I just they tell you I don't
Sure
tire.
die.
I don't tire. Make I just.
Where you dey come? Cool temper now.
I won't make I go carry food come give you. I know they smile. They smile nature. Smile go give you.
Alright, I dey here dey wait for you. Pikin wey sabi.
Me.
The best chef in the world. My baby girl. Come on, dear job. Babe wey sabi.
Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson. Sorry to disturb you, sir.
You don't need to do sorry now. No be you. Anything for you.
Okay. You still remember that driver that returned my purse, right?
That bag where you forget for Simon too.
Mm-hmm.
I remember. I hope no one.
No, do you by any chance know how I can contact him?
No. Not town servicing they do.
Town service?
You go pick people from here, go drop them somewhere. And so you go to work out for town till night to do. Not town servicing they do. I remember Kevin been telling me say he know am those days when him mad they drive motor for road. So madam, I hope no wahala.
No problem. Oh. I just feel like he needs to be rewarded. All the things in the bag were intact.
No, true. You need to reward her. In try.
I'm actually asking in respect of the driver that came here this evening.
Okay.
Do you know where he stays?
As of last year, he was staying at Apo Resettlement. But I don't know if he's still there.
But where exactly at Apo Resettlement?
It's around that market share, but I don't know the actual house.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Is that all right?
That's all.
Thank you, madam.
you.
In case you need me, I'm at the back.
See, sir, they come out clothes, you just run come from room. It makes sense.
What do you want to?
Why they ask me that your question? You know, not everywhere don't read. Babe, come on.
I beg you, free me.
Babe, body no be firewood. You need to feel anything for your
Come out that thing from my back, I beg. Come out. Shift
why
and
you talk like
come
this
out.
now?
Shift and come out.
You calm down now.
See, make I ask you this question. Person wey no get money, he's supposed to get erection. Yeah?
Babe, no be money matter be this. This is flesh and
I
blood.
beg you.
Babe, this is Aquara. The things are angry. They want to do what they want to do.
Yeah, it's good that they are angry. Make them anger you well, make you go make money. When money come, erection, no problem. I will take care of them.
Okay, I fit get the whole money now like this, and that side need the work.
No,
you know, still
no
makes
sound
sense.
like that.
Yeah, see,
He go work. Now that time he go work where we go dey perform in duty very
he
well.
dey perform now.
Yeah. And no, I know say they perform now.
People want to have all at this moment.
Leave me.
Calm down. Life na jeje.
Okay, no problem. I don't calm down. Okay?
Very good.
Shh. Shift time. It still dey touch me. Move and come out. Go make money first. You make money, I go small. You know me now. You know me. You know as I
do like this now.
Thank you. Go make money. Shift from my road.
Babe, now. No beside the ass for too much. Just one on and no. The head. Let me just rub the head. I want buy from sleep there. No be this thing, sir. Waiting. Nah. See, we just stay like this now.
Buy sweet orange, yeah, sweet orange. Lick one by all. Sweet orange there, oh. Lick one by all. Fine bros. Welcome, oh, you want orange?
Hi.
Hi now, you want orange? And they said sweet orange.
I want all. All, yeah.
You say wait, you want?
All.
You want all?
Yeah, sure.
Bros, you want make I give you all this orange?
Calm down. But you know you're so beautiful to be doing this kind of shit, man.
Bros, it's not shit.
Why are you shy?
It's orange. Thank you.
Nah, it's fine.
All right.
You know what? Just maybe, I don't know. I'll pay for them.
All of them.
Sure, I will.
Hey. Okay.
Can I at least have a word with you?
You want to have a word with me? Okay, if you come by, you will come. Mike, I'll give the orange.
I'll pay for it.
Okay now. No problem. Eh? No problem. I dey come. Ajoke, I dey come. I dey come, bros. Fine, bros. I dey come. Make I come inside.
Come on, sure.
Eh, Make I lock the door.
Sure.
Okay. Well done, bros.
I'm Desmond.
My name is Ngozi. Ngo.
You're so funny. Well, it's a pleasure.
Same here. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you okay?
Oh, yes. Yes, I'm fine.
Can we be friends?
Yes, of course.
Well, like I said, my name is Desmond. Well, I just got back from Dallas, Texas. Yeah. Oh, for now, I just stayed at Park Place Hotel in Taco. Yeah, behind Chisco Park, yeah.
Oh. Now from America, I take come. Aha! I see why you take fresh like a newborn baby. Which you did this town?
Nah, not really. Actually, but my town is not really far from here. Though. I
Okay.
just have like 3 weeks to stay before going to see my mom.
Eh. Okay. You're good.
Well, lest I forgot, I think I need to pay you for your oranges. But I don't have cash right now. Can I do transfer for you?
Yeah, anything. They're okay.
Sure. Why are you smiling? Okay, just call it.
Now pay. Now I
Call
hear
the
you.
number. Mhm.
099
Okay.
125 03. Wait, come on, the key. Put 2. You go see my name, go, baby.
Man, you're so funny. So funny Nigerians, you know.
Me too.
Okay, yeah, I just did now.
Eh.
Yeah.
Okay. I go see him. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yeah, don't worry, there's more to this. Okay, as time goes by.
Thank you.
Just let me get a hug.
A hug.
All right.
Thank you.
Take care.
All right.
Yeah.
Agbabola. How much is money?
Hey,
Money nothing.
that your
Feed them
hand
and
fine,
nothing.
oh, your hand fine.
Now you know.
He fine.
Now you know. Ebelebe. Kaya kote na neme.
I'm fine, oh.
Ayaya. Igi.
I know. What's your name?
Kote na neme.
Yeah, I know. Make I see how.
Igi.
Wait now, show me.
I know say your eye enter there.
I enter. He fine.
know. But
It's
calm
fine, well.
down.
Yeah.
Calm down. This one way you come back on time. Be like say the market go sharp sharp.
Ah, my darling. Hey, market sweet today.
Give me the gist.
Yeah, you say you want hear am?
Sure.
You see today market?
Gossip the sweet for your
Today
mouth.
market.
I dey hear you.
Only one person. One customer.
My clear everything.
Clear everything.
Are you serious?
Yeah, serious.
Who
oh.
talk say God no do?
God day, he stand gidigba.
Hey, God
day.
dey, God dey.
Hey, but this thing now, how far now?
Calm down now.
What's happened?
Nice we go.
Nice,
open
come
am
now. I won't run.
We need to open am here.
Let's open am for here now.
Patience.
Eh, not be my name with that.
I'll give you the full gist.
I they come.
No, Nolly. Baby. Your name don't change from Ngozi to
Ina, tell me my name. Tell me my name. Tell me my name. Make.
This is my baby.
I they come.
Then
oh.
fast.
That hand good where. Wait, my dropper. I dey behind you. I dey behind you. I dey behind you. Chai. Sweetie. That's more get go hard too.
You see?
Eh? You know say those things where she buy for you. He reach 50,000 pass.
No be lie, wallahi. And you know say that supermarket, their things they very expensive.
She can't even give you plenty money. As you they drive, they go, they come back. She give you money where be say for 3 days you know fit make that kind of money.
Baby girl, no be lie. See, you see why it is good to be good. It's not good to do bad things, you see?
How you mean?
See now, if the son no return that purse, all these good things which she buy for me, if you reach me, if you reach us, these Jews where they enjoy like this, they flex like this now. If you reach us, you know, suppose if you no reach us in any way, you understand?
The juice sweet.
It's sweet. And the small pikin just trace me, come meet me, come appreciate me, knock me 30 pay. You understand? That's a good thing.
Wait. These praises don't they become too much?
Wait now.
No, I don't understand you.
Why they open eye now?
See,
Uh-huh.
I dey watch you.
Okay.
If to say this girl no be small pikin, I for say you don't dey do something with her.
No be crazy they worry you so.
You know the pressure say too much now. Now she can't find me. Now she can't do this. It's too much now.
And what she do now? Man, no play the gist again. No be want hear the gist.
I like him. I like how she dey tell me. I like how she dey tell me. See. I won't make you do something for us.
Ngozi.
Yes?
Hey, you don't start again.
Now wait.
No, you go kill me for this life. What's in again now you want me to do?
Calm down now. When they talk like this, you know, say me, I want better. I want make your life better.
Yeah, sure.
Make our life better. Abi?
Sure,
You like this place where you did?
Life go better now.
So, wait. I want, make you call this girl.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Call her.
I dey feel you.
Tell her, say, your mama for village, they sick. And as you dey like this, raise you up, knock you for ground. Sisi, you know get. Call her.
Ngozi,
Eh?
which road do I walk past meet you?
But you know, say me, I dey use my IQ. You dey intelligent sometimes pass me. You know they use your own. We need to use this opportunity make money.
Shut up, dirty mouth and drink the juice where they sweet you. Person buy you juice free of charge and still in they hungry you. Which road do I walk past meet you? If you give me that juice.
Give me now, never. I can't take small.
Longer.
Take small
Come on here. No longer through now you will kill you.
Take small now.
See you, If no besides I be you. I sabi you well. I for just say my.
Nah, because
Hey!
nah, because I like you. I won't make you.
I know like you. I know like you. Ngozi will not go steal.
Take
We
some.
go make her.
You don't dey vex. Take drink small.
If I see that thing, I carry and go inside. Longer. Come inside, Joe.
Think about it.
Come inside.
Come do it.
Come inside.
You go think about her.
Leave orange.
That guy's soft. He fresh. He come fine. Chimo. Chai. I won't take see this Bobo again, eh? Bobo will get everything. But this one waiting for house where they make me feel ugly all the time. See am now. Desmond, my love, pay me 100K. For orange will be 15K. Try. Only in name I don't call now.
Ngozi.
Oh.
What do you think like this? You just throw away for thought.
Nah, market. Oh.
No way, tell me. Which kind of thought they carry you go where you know
I
like
know,
this?
na market.
I make it. They make you smile like this.
Na my oranges, I dey think about it. You want come out? You want na orange now? Wetin I dey sell again? No be orange. They go now.
I don't they suspect you.
Wetin happen? They go abeg.
Let me say they think about Yahoo.
Hey, now when you don't talk Yahoo. I meet some guys too. And I tell them say I want to introduce you to them. My carry go meet them. Come now, you dey go. Hey, no fall. No break that place. Hey. Okay now.
Yes, coming.
Sister, good morning.
Coming. How are you? How was your night?
Was good. And yours?
Awesome.
So I brought you some coffee.
Oh. Thank you. Drop it here.
Okay. So in case you need anything, I'll be in my room.
No problem.
All right. Thank you.
Auntie Amara, good morning.
Good morning, my princess. Chichi, where are you going to all dressed up this morning?
No, we are serious. I'm just going to chill out. Mom is around, so I don't want her while big.
Chichi. Hey, and look at this fine. Are you saying no, we're serious?
I'm not going anywhere. Okay, I'm actually heading to the orphanage. And after that, I'm just going somewhere to chill. Like,
look at my baby. You have such a good heart, just like your dad. Like a good, like, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. Is Mama awake?
Yes, but she's still in her bedroom. So I brought you some coffee.
Okay.
And I'm happy you're going to the orphanage. But don't stay out late.
I won't.
Okay. Bye, my baby. See you later.
Bye.
Babe, make you do the come. I beg. Women, every time they go to dress. Yeah? Now to go sell orange, now you go just stay there, they waste time. Wow. Now so una go miss heaven like this. Maybe Jesus go come like this, una go still dey dress up, they touch face, they check una. Now so Jesus go come finish go, una go still blame am on top. Baby!
I dey come!
Come abeg, you don't know say morning don't reach.
No vex, so no vex. One abeg, you go see me, no vex.
Come man, come up for here, abeg.
1 minute, 1 minute. No vex, eh? I don't finish. More they go.
Wait. Where they go dress like this? No, do you want to go sell a bee? You also want to go sell your body?
I don't understand.
No, you know, see, as you see on yash, everything just pop out.
I don't understand. So wait. Because I dey sell orange, make I carry pot rope for my body. Be like mad person. Eh? Now what you dey talk?
So you dey go sell orange for road where dust go pour you. Now you even make up. Now like this they go before.
I bet more they go, I beg. More they go now.
Ngozi.
Eh?
You never tell me what they go do.
I won't go sell orange.
Like this.
More they go, I beg.
Go change that thing, I beg.
You like now? You say you like her. More they go. More they go now. Now you they shout that time. Come on. I don't come out.
Everybody they see this thing, and this thing supposed to be only my eye. Now you go they see.
No worry, you know like her see they see her.
So I be like, I will come there your orange shop today.
go do this. Come.
Morning, my baby girl. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you off to this ceremony?
Okay, that's actually why I'm here. I'm going to the orphanage home to see some of my friends, get them some few stuff, and spend some time there. I won't take long.
It's all right. But you won't go alone.
Mommy.
Oh, shh. If you have to go, you will go with Mr. Johnson.
Okay.
Johnson! Mr. Johnson!
Madam!
Come.
Madam?
Thank you. Please, take Chichi to the orphanage. Okay?
So, madam, you ready?
Oh, my purse is upstairs. Just wait for me at the car, please.
Okay.
Mommy, I need some...
I know that look.
just to add up to get things for them at the orphanage.
Chichi, you earn money. It's okay, don't worry. Before you get there, you see my message.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Okay, let me get my
fun.
purse. Okay. Mommy, I'm off.
Oh, baby.
I'll
Have
see
fun,
you
okay?
soon.
Be careful.
Calvin.
I used to buy down the house. No, they look me. Give you inside. Madam! Any man who go marry you, I'm gonna be the luckiest man. I will see they here.
Mr. Johnson,
Small madam.
please can I ask for a little favor?
Small madam, you don't start again.
I know you already know what it is.
I know. What if your mama find out?
But she won't find out. Unless you want to be the one to tell her.
Small madam.
Please.
Small madam.
Please.
How many times I call you? I don't want to lose my job.
Relax.
Now
Mr.
from this
Johnson,
small driving work, now they for job.
you won't lose your job. You can't lose your job, please. Please, sir. Mr. Johnson, please now. Hey.
Now my job I dey fear.
You won't lose your job.
Okay, I don't hear, I don't agree. I go do it for you.
Thank you.
So sorry for keeping you waiting.
Good morning, Mr. Ikenna.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah, small
Good
madam.
morning, sir.
Bro, how you dey?
I'm fine, sir.
Small madam. We'll not go stay outside for long go.
I
Because your party
know.
come back today.
I know, but he's not coming back anytime soon.
Even at that, we're not supposed to stay outside that long.
Okay. We've heard you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Johnson. Oh yeah, now let's go.
Yeah, before we go, Ross.
Sir.
I don't know this market where you and how they buy. But I beg. I know one make story where we no go fit talk for outside, make it come out.
Sir, I promise that there won't be any ugly story.
I beg.
And I will take care of him, and on time we'll just come back.
I beg. I know one story where we no go fit talk for outside.
No, but nothing will happen, sir.
Amarachi, sister. Amarachi, come. Sister, I thought you're not going out today.
Yes. But I just got an urgent call from my sister-in-law in the US. So a friend of mine is going to the US, and I need to pass by Art and Crafts Village to get her some, artifacts. You get. So please take care of the house. Okay? I'll buy you good things and not everywhere.
Bye.
Thank
See
you.
you.
Buy orange, sweet orange. Buy orange, sweet orange. Oh,
Yeah, hey, beautiful.
bros. Fine bros.
That's
You're
all,
welcome.
yeah. Thank you. You look so charming.
Thank you.
Why
Thank
are
you
you
so
smiling?
much. Nothing. you want orange? Make I give you orange.
No. On the contrary, I just need you.
Huh?
I just need you. Please, can we hang out?
Yes. Yes.
I just love your smile. Come on, let's go. Pack it up. Don't worry,
Thank
I'll
you.
settle for everything, okay?
Oh, it's fine. Make I just 1 minute.
Okay, sure.
Ajoke! Abeg, come, quick. Come, abeg. Sharply. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your car is fine, no?
Yeah. At your age, you don't visit orphanage.
even see food chop go give me. I don't see food chop. But to be honest with you, I'm so impressed. I'm quite surprised. And it's a good thing.
I mean, I don't only visit the orphanage, I serve my friends there.
For real? So, where did you learn that?
My parents, of course. Especially my dad. My dad my nature. You know, most people in the cemeterial cities do move around with bodyguards. My dad doesn't.
How?
I have like 7 bodies in my house. Just have the Johnson is my personal driver. Yeah, my parents drive themselves. He only comes in to play when there's an emergency. But yeah, that's just it. It's just like that.
In this our country.
Yeah, that's my dad for you.
That's really, really impressive.
Yeah.
I kind of like. Thank you for taking me out, for bringing me here, and for the new outfit that you got me.
It's nothing.
I really love them. It's nothing. It's something new.
What's up, nigga? What's up? Fulfill me, man.
Oh,
What's
sorry.
wrong with you?
Sorry.
What happened? I hear you they shout.
Don't mind some fucking nigga trying to cut my woman pants down. What's up?
You know,
That's bullshit, man.
it's okay, no vex.
No, I'm
Wow, this is a beautiful water splash. I think I need to bring Chichi down to this place. Let me go get her.
Who is this bastard? What are you doing here? Something
wrong with you? Are you crazy? You tried to touch my woman. What's wrong with you? Who is this bastard? Try to touch my woman. Who is he? Who is he? Who is he?
No. Wait, please. No. Wait. Please, I beg you. Please. Stop. Let me follow here.
Come here!
Wait, let me follow here now. Wait, please. No. Please. Sorry. Wait. Sorry. I missed you.
Missed you too, my girl.
This house has been so empty and boring without you.
Can you imagine this girl? So, what you're trying to say now is that I'm not lively. I'm just there, like, there.
But mommy, it's from your mouth. I heard it now.
I heard it too.
You too.
Thank you.
Yeah, I miss more than everybody. This house. Don't be jealous.
Chiamaka detergent wash.
No, I'm not washing you.
Chiamaka detergent wash.
You
will travel again. All of you will miss me.
Back again.
That's what you get when you are taking away my husband. You miss my husband.
Bless you.
Oh, God. Ngozi, please come back. Go. Hey. Go. I beg. Oh, God. Kai. See, as I think I'm gonna spoil things. Yeah, but you can't be this now. See, relationship will be done 5 years. If I lose Ngozi now, who I go get? See my state, this girl has been with me. In this place. I ain't go beg now. I beg. I'm missing you. I can't do this life without you, baby girl. I beg. God, please help me. God, help me. I can't end this relationship like this. I don't want this relationship start. Because it's the best thing that happened for my life now, in these recent times. What do I do? Who will get her? I will call.
Chichi,
Daddy.
what could be keeping my daughter awake up until this time of the night?
Daddy, it's nothing. I'm fine.
Listen to me, sweetheart, you're my daughter. I know you're not fine. Talk to Daddy.
Daddy, I'm fine. I'm okay. I was just thinking about something. I'm fine.
Just thinking about something. All right. It's okay, but it's almost midnight. Why don't you go to bed?
Okay. I love you, Dad.
I love you so much, baby. Go to sleep.
Ikenna? Ikenna, are you okay? You look sad. What happened? What happened?
She left.
Who left?
My soon-to-be wife.
Oh, but why? Why did she leave?
I caught her cheating on me, then I confronted her so hard. She got angry and left.
I'm so sorry. Well, just like that. She left just like that. Wow.
I really, really love Ngozi. I love her so much. This is 5 good years. 5 years of relationship, 5 years of me being faithful to her, 5 years of dedication, 5 years of commitment. This is somebody I hope will end do life together.
It's okay.
Why would she even cheat on me? Why?
You know I don't like to see you like this.
What's happening?
Oh, Amarachi.
Amarachi, well done.
Thank you, God.
You're cleaning. This house is sparkling.
That's the handwork of my sister.
Mm.
Where's Chichi?
She went out with Johnson.
Went off since when?
5 minutes after you left.
To where?
I really don't know.
And she's not yet back.
Okay, darling, call Johnson while I go take some rest, huh? Oh.
He didn't pick. She didn't pick.
Why are they not picking?
Actually, and your uncle is not even bothered. He's tired. Let me know when they get back.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Tonight's Mario. Mr. Nazi on the beat. Forever, forever. first set my eyes on you, I know you be my baby girl, yeah. Hey darling, yeah. You are wonderful kind, my beautiful, my job, baby.
Yes, you're fine.
My phone is ringing. I think it's my mom again.
Why not take her calls?
Alright, fine, let me just... Oh, it's even Mr. Johnson.
Alright.
Hello, sir. My mom called you. Oh, what did you tell her? She called me too, but I didn't pick. Okay, thank you very much. Mr. Johnson, you won't lose your job. You won't lose your job. Trust me now. Alright. Yeah, we'll be coming soon. Okay.
I think we have to go now.
No, I don't want to go.
See, look. We need to go. His job is at stake.
I don't want to go.
Come on. If what you told me is true, this is the time to prove it. Okay?
Okay.
There'll be a next time, alright? Remember we promised him. Let's not ruin the opportunity.
Anything for you, my love.
I love you so much.
This my promise to love you to the end, cause life without you, no feel complete.
Let me just put my phone in my bag in case she calls again.
Can I tell you something?
You the joy in my heart when
You're the most beautiful girl.
I'm just joking.
Contribution of labor. I'll call you back.
I can't believe it. I can't believe you're here feeling relaxed when your daughter is nowhere to be found. She's not even picking my calls. Likewise, Johnson.
Well, I am not bothered because I know that my daughter will come back.
Honey, you have spoiled this girl so bad. You allow her to do things on her own at her age. That's bad. Really bad.
You know what? I really don't have time and energy to listen to your arguments and shenanigans.
I see. No problem. It's all right. I will sit down and I will wait for her to come back and tell me where she's coming from. And that stupid Johnson will tell me where he took my daughter to.
Jamaka. Here, have some juice.
I don't want to.
She doesn't want.
Where are you coming from? I said, where are you coming from? You, come here. And I called you. Chichi, I called you. Severally. Where are you coming from? How dare you? You had the nerves to ignore my calls.
Mommy.
Now I ask you again. Where did you take my daughter to?
Mommy, you can hit me if you want to hit me, but do not touch Mr. Johnson, okay? I was the one who asked him to carry me out.
Watch it!
I went to go see a friend.
Get lost! Idiot. And as for you, your father must hear this.
You just disrespected yourself by hitting his staff.
You are spoiled.
Don't forget to report yourself too.
Okay.
Does she really love me like she said? I think I love her too because there's this calmness with her spirit. The very first day I set my eyes on her, there was just this thing about her that glows. Her sparkles. At that moment I felt that she was like my earth. Like my rain. Like my sword. This feeling is new. And I recognize it.
If what you told me is true, this is the time to prove it. Okay?
Okay.
There'll be a next time, alright? Remember we promised him. Let's not ruin the opportunity.
Anything for you, my love.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Wow. A taxi driver and the senator's daughter. Is this real? Somebody should wake me up. This is going to be fine. This is going to be a war. This is going to be a battle. But then, if God wills it, I know it's going to happen. Well, God in your hands. I commit my feelings.
Come in.
Your dad wants to see you.
Okay. Where is he?
He's in the dining.
Okay. I'll meet him soon.
Okay.
How could you? I mean, how could you insult your mother in the presence of your driver? Chichi, I brought you up to be a responsible child. Now what is happening?
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Say that to your mother right now.
I'm so sorry, Mommy. But Daddy, Mom was too mean to have hit Mr. Johnson. She slapped him.
Did you do that? You have no right whatsoever to hit a man.
He ignored my call.
You shut up and listen to me. You have no right whatsoever to hit that man, that young man. I mean, what? If he was not working with us, would you be able to speak with him rudely on the streets? Why would you hit a man? Now listen, you're going to have to apologize to that man with a gift. All right? That decision is final.
I will.
I'm in love with someone.
Shh. Hear your voice. Mom might be at the door.
I just told you I'm in love with someone and you are talking about my mom.
Who is this guy, if I may ask?
Okay. His name is... You know what? Never mind. I don't think saying his name is important.
Chichi.
What?
Blushing.
See, I just love this guy. I really love him. I can't stay for a whole day without looking at his face. Ooh.
Wow, this is serious. Does he feel the same way?
And now, of course. We even hugged today.
Ah, this is serious too.
Yes. I love her too. She's just a wonderful person. Filled with life. Makes me feel a special kind of sensation. But I'm scared. I'm scared of her family. We are no match. I live in an uncompleted building. She lives in a mansion.
How is it even possible?
But I'm scared.
You're scared of what?
Your parents, especially your mom. I don't think she'll support you being in a relationship now, considering your age. But for me, I don't think it's a bad idea.
I take that your last sentence. I mean, I don't think it's a bad idea at all. After all, I'm 18. See, Auntie Amarachi, all I want is for you to just guide me in this journey of love.
Only on one condition.
What's the condition?
That you tell me everything about this guy. No secrets.
Oh.
Chichi. Okay.
Amarachi! Amarachi!
Sister.
Where's Chichi? And for the last time, don't lie to me. Tell me before I get mad at you.
Chichi's in her room, sister.
Of course she's not in her room. And I've been calling her, she's been declining my call.
This girl. Sister, please try calling Johnson.
Johnson is not with her either. She went out alone. You better start talking. Amarachi.
What is going on here?
Oh yeah. Can you imagine that Chichi is not home? And the worst part is that she went out alone.
Why would she go out alone without anybody's notice? I mean, that's bad enough.
Oh, is it? That spoiled child of yours is pushing me. That spoiled child of yours is really pushing me. And Amarachi is indulging her. Well done. All of you, continue.
Amarachi. Don't lie to me. Where did she go?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Tonight's Mario. Mr. Matthew on the beat. Forever, forever, forever you will. I will never, whenever you need someone, I'll be there for you.
Yeah, how am I holding it? How am I holding it? Am I holding it, Finn? Okay, you want to come down? Why do you want to look back? Yeah, because you could. For real. Your eyes are turning. Can you spread your hands? Can you spread your hands? Like this. Are you scared? Huh? Are you scared?
Yes, yes.
Forever, forever, forever.
Who is he?
Who is who?
It is only a man that can make a young girl like you disrespect her family. So tell me, I said, who is he? Oh. I see you are in love. It's written all over your face. Sit down. So tell me about him now.
Are you going to be angry at me? His name is... His name is... His name is Ikenna.
I will not sit down and watch Chichi go into any relationship at her age. And not with a common taxi driver. No way! What kind of nonsense is this? Listen, no seed of mine would have anything to do with low lives. No seed of mine would ever have anything to do with poverty. I reject it. What nonsense! This whole thing is driving me crazy. What is this?
What is bringing this anger? Is it that our daughter is too young to be in a relationship? Or that the young man in question is not rich and famous?
All of the above. All of the above. You tell me. How old is Chichi?
Last time I checked, my daughter is 18 and she'll be 19 in 2 months.
You see?
Are you saying that at 18 she's not mature enough to have a relationship? Listen, my dear, you and I know that Chichi is my daughter, my cherished daughter, and her happiness is my priority.
Likewise, me too. She's my daughter as well. I carried her in my womb for 9 good months. In cases like this, I will not allow her to take this decision alone. No, I have to do it with her.
Mommy doesn't want my happiness.
That's not true.
She's always behaving like she doesn't want to see me happy.
Your mother wishes her daughter bad. Your mom is only concerned about your future.
Auntie, who said that you even on Sev?
Don't get me wrong.
You're looking like you're one of those people who say the poor gets poorer and the rich gets richer.
But I'm also concerned about your future, so as your mom. No doubt, Ikenna is a good guy. But
if things works out between us, my dad can set up a lucrative business for him.
And you think he can handle big business?
Ikenna is not an illiterate. He's a graduate and he graduated with a first-class result.
Wow, I'm surprised. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what kind of business do you think would be more lucrative?
Gold business is a very lucrative business. I must look for someone who will train me first. I can now be going 2 times in a week while I use the other for my couple driving work. When I'm done with the training, I will apply for a grant of 3 million. Then the sale from the land that my father left me and for my siblings. I think that land will generate about 4 to 5 million. Ikenna, you need to work hard. Not just hard. Ikenna, you need to work harder.
From what you've told me about this man, he seems to be very hardworking. But he needs to be more hardworking now.
So this is what love feels like.
Look at my baby.
Love is beautiful, Sha. I mean, every time I'm with this guy, I just feel so complete. I really love this guy.
Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay?
you're not eating.
Honey, there is enough food in this house. So if Chichi decides not to eat, then so be it. Don't worry. When she's hungry, she will eat.
Sweetheart, I don't seem to understand why you can't just tolerate your own daughter. She's a young, innocent girl. And her age comes with a lot of pressure. I want you to try and tolerate her as much as you can, please.
I just can't tolerate her at all. If me cautioning her and bringing her up in the right way is me not tolerating her, it's okay. It's fine.
That's how you see it?
Where they go now? What's your gun? They like me to come out. What do you carry for back way?
I just.
Small madam.
Where's your car? Back to there. I don't want you to see me coming. Let's go.
Baby. You know, say you be wonderful man now.
I know.
Now it make me like you.
When you start speaking like this, I know you want to ask me for something.
Maybe something I won't ask you.
Yeah, talk to me now.
Just say I get surprise for you.
Okay, talk to me, tell me.
Whew, so you know, I just I just feel feverish. And I can't for me to the throw up at the headache, you know, all those unnecessary, you know. And I realized I just treated malaria last month. You understand? I said, okay, I just go chemist, go buy that white, you know that stick, that white one, where they use check for belly now, first we get belly. Now I could check her. The thing just conscious I don't get belly. I get pregnant for you, I don't get belly for you.
What's for me?
They're happy now, you not happy?
I should be happy.
Hey now.
Can you listen to yourself talk? Huh? You're pregnant. You're pregnant for who? You're pregnant for me? Why? Did I ever tell you that that we're gonna get married? Huh? Look, listen to me. I have a family in Texas. And I don't want to be a polygamist. Talk to me, I'm talking to you. Is there anything funny?
You like Tabi? You like movie? They act. Yeah, you sabi act so well though. You sabi. You this serious?
Can you just pack your things and get out from this place? No!
Serious.
Pack your things, get out. Get out! I say out! Out.
You this serious?
I said out.
You don't mind.
You're still sitting here. You're still sitting here.
Serious?
And look at me. We had nothing. Nothing. We've never done anything. You get? Nothing.
If she likes, let her run to Equatorial Guinea with that wretched old fool. But read my lips. They will never, ever be together.
If I knew that you would be this mean, I wouldn't have made you my wife.
And if I knew that you would spoil my child, I wouldn't have accepted your proposal. No seed of mine will be associated with low lives.
Chiamaka, you're here talking about low life. Chiamaka's sitting here and talking about low life.
Yes.
If there was anyone in this world who would qualify to be called low life, in fact, lower life, that person is you, Chiamaka. Chiamaka the plantain seller. Have you forgotten? Hey, will you keep quiet and listen to me? He's talking about low life. Now listen. Have you forgotten that your father was a bicycle mechanic? Have you forgotten that your mother was frying akara and plantain for you to hawk from Monday to Sunday?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Tonight's Mario. Mr. Nazi on the beat. Forever, forever, forever you win. I will never, whenever, whenever you need someone, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you forever. Oh, oh yeah. Hey baby, yeah, yeah. When I first set my eyes on you, I knew you'd be my baby girl, yeah. Hey darling, yeah. You are one of a kind, my beautiful Malika baby girl. Baby, yeah. This my promise to love you to the end. Cause life without you, no feel complete. You the joy in my heart when they all go cease. I go take you to anywhere overseas. Overseas. Forever, forever, forever you win. I will never, whenever, whenever you need someone, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you forever. Oh, yeah. They say true love story has no ending. You my ride or die, oh baby, yeah, yeah. Unconditional love you to show me, yeah, yeah. My day beat for you, my love. Now what's in other fine since I don't see.
Have you forgotten how we met? You were to be raped by a group of bandits. They were going to rape you to death, and I saved you. Brought you up from nowhere. Gave you education. You could not even construct a simple English grammar. Brought you up, dusted you, gave you education. 2 years I spent my money to brush you up. And I brought you into wealth and marriage. And you're here sitting down telling me about low life. Have you forgotten, Chiamaka, that at that time you were at the same age like her daughter? You were just about 18, 19 when I brought you into marriage. And my family members supported me. Yours supported us because they saw value in me. Why don't you just give our daughter this opportunity she craves to be happy? Talking about no lie. Chiamaka, you look at this wretched woman I brought from nowhere. Huh? Support this girl. support our young daughter. Mm. Uh, you have now, your mind has gone back now. You have now remembered. Mm.
It's not like... Why are you even sure he's your kind of person? You know, you're a God sent to me, but this...
Okay, so what chance have you given to him to prove himself if he was like me or not? Have you given him any chance before condemning him? Did you give him any chance? So, I mean, okay. Okay, you now understand that, you know what low life is all about, right? It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. I don't mean to, hurt you with my words. It's okay.
For me to start crying.
No, you won't, Siri. You won't. It's okay.
Your tears will be my drink, your sweat my perfume. I'll look at you every day and decide to love you every blessed day. The sparks in your eyes, they're so deep. I love the everything that you represent. Your smiles, your charm, your demeanor. You are sweet. You are amazing. You are the freshness, the resonance. You are more like the embodiment of the universe. In you I find wholesomeness. I find completeness. I find joy.
I love you too.
And I'll work harder just to prove how much I love you.
Whenever you need someone, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Maraji, I'm sorry I had to come out in such an outburst talking with your sister, my wife. I did not intend to hurt my wife with such words. But sometimes in life, we need to take a look back at where we're coming from with a view to focusing on where we're going. Poverty has a way of humbling people, and that also goes for you. Okay? And talking about you, I remember how you came in here from day one of our marriage. You've been in this house like my own daughter. I've seen you through school. Now you're waiting to go for your youth service. And I know that you will come out, you start working, become independent, and there will be time for you to make a choice of a man for a husband. I want to tell you this. Do not make that choice of a husband based on a man's financial capacity. Okay? If you find yourself a man who is hardworking, a man who is focused, who has dreams, and is not lazy, bring that man to this house. We will finance our marriage. Okay? All right. Now, those days when fathers and mothers would have to choose a wife or a husband for their children, those eras are gone. And that's why I am advocating that Chichi be given that leverage, to be able to make her choices, knowing that she's mature enough to know what makes her happy. Okay? And talking about my Chichi, we love our daughter. We are passionate about her. She's our priority. I'm sorry if it sounded like I was too protective or supportive of her. Of course, I'm a disciplinarian, as it were. I wouldn't spoil our daughter. So I'm sorry if my words hurt you. I'm sorry. But let's join hands and make sure our daughter is happy. So that nothing, like I said, nothing should come between the love that we share. You know I love you now. I love you, my baby. You know that I love you. You know I love you. I'm talking about my daughter. If she's not back in this house in the next 24 hours, this house will not contain the three of us. And you, Chichi looks up to you. You can't afford to be a bad example to her. You cannot afford to be a bad example to her. You have a responsibility to watch over her and make her responsible. Okay? I want my daughter back in this house within the next 24 hours. Let's avoid trouble.
Sister, have you tried calling her? I've tried several times. She kept declining my calls.
What about text? Have you tried sending messages to her?
I did that too. Still no response from her. Look, Amarachi, in as much as my husband wants Chichi to go into anything in relationship, not with this poor taxi guy. You know, I want something, I want the best for her. I was even arranging with my friend. She has a son that lives in Brazil. Very promising young man. And he's just 25 years old. He's already dying for Chichi.
He's not going to work. Chichi doesn't love him now.
Love is not required here. Anyway, let her just come back home first. Then we'll know. See how this is.
I don't want anything to happen to your marriage. My in-law didn't sound like he was joking when he said he wanted Chichi back. Please,
No, that tone, that voice of his is not for joke.
Yes, I've never seen him this way.
But it's okay. Let's try. Okay, maybe you tell her to come back. She can bring the young man. Let's even see him first. Do you understand?
Yeah,
let's see him. Because
I'll
my
try and
husband's
see if I can
voice was not
contact.
funny at all.
Try and see if I can contact her.
Okay, when you do, just tell her to come. Tell her to.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky.
Sir, my name is Iheonunekwu, and currently I am a taxi driver, town service here in Abuja.
You're currently a what?
Taxi driver. And I live in Apo Resettlement here in Abuja. I graduated from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, computer science, first class.
So, how come you're a taxi driver if you claim to have all of these qualifications?
Nigeria is a country where the government has created an opportunity for us not to succeed so well. And it happens that I am one of those people who fall within that category of graduating with good grades, but then nothing for me. So I graduated and I had to hit the streets in order to make a living. In addition to that, I'm also an app developer. I can assure that I develop incredible, great apps. So I think it's the government.
It's okay, Mr.
Ikenna.
Yes. I've heard you, and I'm quite fascinated by your acumen, as it were. And I say that I welcome you.
Thank you, sir.
Like a young man with lofty dreams for the future.
Yes, sir.
That's quite appreciated. However, I'd like to ask you, what do you want with my daughter?
Sir, I have known your daughter and I have developed strong feelings towards her. All I'm asking is your support and opportunity to express my profound feelings towards her since we have found grace and favor in each other's sight. So that's it, sir. And I promise to be a hardworking person to be able to give her the future that she deserves.
It's a good one. A young man, you have rights, you have all the freedom to aspire to love. I'm a man like you, so I quite understand what you're trying to tell me now. All right, here you are with all of your skills and app development.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your first class and all of that. I have never wanted or dreamt to see my daughter fall into the hands of unintelligent people. And this has nothing to do with class. We don't discriminate. Okay? You're welcome to the family. But...
Sir, please. Please. All I'm asking is an opportunity to be with your daughter. I know that she's very precious to you. And she is also precious to me. Please, sir. I beg of you. I beg of you. Grant me that opportunity.
Well, it's okay. Mr. Ikenna.
Yes, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Like I said, we appreciate your acumen. We appreciate your desire to fraternize with my daughter. And your happiness is my daughter's happiness. And my daughter's happiness is our collective happiness. I appreciate the fact that you've gone, you've read, you've come so far. But for you to be able to be married, and I'm talking to you like a son, you have to be stable. You have to be solid wherever you find yourself, whatever endeavor you find yourself. And so it's not something we would say you do now. There's no way you can marry my daughter now because you're still in that state of stabilizing. Our duty is to help you to stabilize. And if you stabilize, we know that you'll be able to extend the same level of happiness to my daughter. And so to support your stabilization, as it were, we have agreed to contribute a token of 25 million naira to whatever endeavor you want to put your hands on.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir.